Integrator Accra aflade ama amanfo elusi omoja pade na emu no ana NDC for air peddle some falsehood bi omo air peddle some propaganda bi against the MPP omo kirem se eya Akufo de ne ba omo ya ne kinoforata ene sisirada paamo ena koje $350 million every World Bank ese omo de bete oda river ni mu e de atete gata mu omo de be ensure sanitation asa de abe proper drainage system e wa Accra ana omo anye it omo ana edi sika no ana ma Accra enso to a flood there was a propaganda na end for air pedo no because omu no mu di sika no e baaye omu aba kase no mu kase mu na busia omu expose Ato Forson ekwan Ato Forson atena sika no so e wona so ye na on person obama sika no kura aba back na mesa do akwa akire 2012 akwa sika bia Bank of Ghana e de bre Ghana no omu di ye aha Penyah block video mesa say ni di mu over like video no that my bro subscribe button some click notification connect latest up the time by chire wa adwen da mama e wo comment section over so no share first enya be ahwe no be kan phone dollar money send app ene dey am o USA o UK open send ska e dey be fie Ghana dollar force is app no na fa improve code ni Penyah TV send ska e be fie na o be chew e cool $20 e dollar nko a o send ska call ya na ye chew $20 for free. Let's go to the story. Entimen kai amanfo ya o e Sunday no ene nsuka sip eto e wo Accra ne month ni so ama akranya e flade ama amanfo japade SSC ye cars ne nsuo tintam cars e de ko nsuo se sanete ne da kogu obi fie chese ade a nsuo ne yiri wa Accra Sunday no ene ne Monday ne Tuesday no edi e wa Accra mountain so no eni enya na ade e baaye no na amanfo asate blame the current government emu an ehunu se NDC for bi asate some agenda bi a omunsem nyina ne se World Bank edi sika bi ebre Ghana abra na Akufo eni ba omia eni MP for etia konya no so no World Bank edi sika bi by eska no eya $350 million ana World Bank edi ba ye ese Akufo ne ba omia enfanye drainage system e wa Accra na omunte oda river ni mu omunte gata mu chese ekwan bia enye ano no ekra ebua ema flood ekoso no omu enfa enye nyina ema eni for ne chirese Akufo edi da sika no ema se sika no mu kire se ebie ko hu se ebigu sisada pampase omu kire mu se sika no ye ko to se egu sisada pa empase ema se omu pedo this falsehood ema se enimdifo journalist enimdifo anke nim se omu nimunyansa assemble they know how to do research ekope information e de be kasa no almost join this conversation ama omu pedo falsehood se sika no $350 million no ebeka MP before ensa ana omu edi sika no ebebusia propaganda we no ko na busia World Bank for omu aneska no omu edebai omu aba kasa na busia before se mema wuntiremu no mesere wade ba akope entrobia di kayako video we bomodin ya share mame share to as many people as we can because video we no it is going to be an eye opening video bi bedwedwama moate DSC sika no dodo aba na mesa do akwa akire 2012 sika bia de bre Atamios ene John Mahama a omadie biro be kwa akire dey busa question entini share video in fact share man nkwa ndizifo no ho no ema me man nkwa ndizifo no ho obi ani so ye ndisi bia share man no WhatsApp Facebook bia share ma wo mu no mra metie no kure no ewa ha. Let's go to say 2017-18 we dey go for extra kunya so eno ya say ne me pese Accra no mountain mo no cause Mahama take 2015 no enso to June 3rd ema Accra nyina yiriye wentima anya ade bia amfa ho. I will look for solution to this problem and Akufo pay nipa mom ye estimate ese oda river no be say omo dredge and its tributaries what I say na face no start to gata mu na omo ensure proper drainage system e wo Accra no mountain so na face no baby a hoye flood prone area no omo yes some basic services be e wo ho so that flood and crash should happen they will survive. They go for a penny pa na fa to say ye benya sika enti ode adesrade e ko to World Bank ani ana World Bank we was okay ene ya tiase go for the tiase be boa mo enti boa ye boa mo no ye di nkan ye be ma mo an amount of $200 million na say $200 million no the creative fund be amam a fund no din at the GARID, that is Greater Accra Resilient Integrated and Development Project. Ama omote that fund no it that fund no and as ewo ho no mo enumu na say World Bank for edisika na eba kwa akoda o man fa ma finance ministry but under finance ministry indicate that fund no others can there ade ana ye di bi eba be ye construction and rehabilitation of major drainage channels. Just Accra no man tell mo no. Ye be ensure proper drainage system. Accra that's gonna be $200 million. Ye de bi ebe said medie no. Na face we are dredging of the Oda River and tributaries. Oda River no. Ye be dredges ye be team ebiemu kese. Ye be team kwa se mu yes into ye be dredge ebemu kakraka. Na fe each tributaries na nkrabata no so no ya dredge so that enso ni yiri said ekwa na ebetima contain. What I say? Eno one. Ana ebiem so no flood detention ponds. Ye be create pond akese wa Accra. Ye be bie pond ye wa Accra be bie mu ni asa create bebre aka so that enso to na eyiri kwa na eno betimi contain those flood no. Ebetima contain those flood no. Na eno eka ho bi. Ana ebiem so solid waste management improvement. Say ye ball ya ye discern be ebe ko ho no mo so de benya ba bia to ball egu. What I say how to manage our waste. Ye discuss can be ebe ko ho no mo. Ana ebiem so no community sanitation infrastructure. Now face no early flood warning systems. Ana upgrading roads, drains and basic services in flood prone communities. Such areas are flood prone area no. Over basic services be ho. Ni nyina ye say sika ni bi. Enti World Bank head also can here. Ye be ma mu 200 million sika we ebeso. Mon fanya sa project we but can mind you say ama mom to do me ne say most start adwumade na they discount bank kakran. And it was in May 2019 and World Bank approve $200 million at the Ghana. And omo head you know see there be $20 million sika enso. And it was in 2023 and almost approve another $150 million. Nese no World Bank Ghana $350 million. Said about boss yen fanya said me we Emma Accra enya krawe so that in so tokra na there wouldn't be any flooding in Accra. But mind is kind of man farm ma. It omo yen say most starting project now because omo position project no from 2019 say ebe we 2027. They projected the project say ebe started 2019 na akwa we 2027 enti mugusina mo ye na no kakra credit scan bank kakran e just say the momo boom ye de be mo kakran sa na say mo de ye adwuma am as I speak to you today as of June 2025 now out of the $350 million assigned to Ghana or approved to Ghana no now World Bank at the emu $127.1 million and aba Ghana hadamo if 2019 na omo approve ma ye no ebesi June 2025 na sika abeka Ghana nsa $127.1 million, that is making 36.3% of the entire money. Emma deska maka say egu GARID fund mu ama ya used to be for that project no but they now so go GARID fund mu finance ministry asure ye Emma ebucha say sika we kura no according to World Bank 2026 May mu and omo report ebaye ese omo ntiase ese adentina ye de sika ebremo se monfa enye project ya the finance ministry ethics can so through policy or the buyer no to the fiscal control how ska esi flow this enum no ye control through this policy no Ato Forson as the leader of finance ministry is slowing down the flow of funds from the GARID fund to the project and the contractors. Sikanu gu Ato Forson asweye and the GARID fund. But Ato Forson and remember says Sikano show. See they come contractors omodi yaduma. It as I speak to you now, no, some contractors are not paid. There also a nipa also could do a museum project. No, Ato Forson is not ensure that the money will flow. In reporting by May, na omo blame the government, no, any finance minister, omo na delay. Emu comes out today say, Sikana abana eda hono no. In March 2026, no, finance ministry akoyi emu 13.8 million Ghana cedis. That's kanom ko ye no. Omo anfa ankotoa that GARID project miss name omo dis kana akoya the foforo. Ye di sikaba, monfanye drainage system, sanitation improvement ewa Accra. Monfan dredge Oda River ni mu ewa Accra. Oma koyi emu $13.8 million. E dis kana kwa the foforo. This is World Bank report. We talk on website talk read. This is World Bank report. February 2026 no ana omu koyi emu $10.5 million as process say 10.5 million say omo de ba be to that project say sika no aba egu finance ministry aso ye sika no gu ho ya used to be but diaka ebi da so gu Ato Forson aso ye finance ministry but what is sika no so Ato Forson ti sika no so sika ye mfa sure some developmental project e wa Accra drainage system ye mfa te Oda River ni mu as I speak to you now no from 2019 to 2025 na sika aba Ghana ye nsem e ye 127.1 aye wi a esi ano o ye calculation na say according to World Bank report no mu kire mu say sika nya e ye 350 million the aba Ghana so far e ye 127 million ana the akase ebe abeka ho e ye 222.9 million and that's what World Bank for no ho ma omu for this can enya maaye but the aba abeka yen say o hanom no Ato Forson eti bebre so e wo finance ministry so ye according to World Bank report omu say for 16 months from November 2024 edibesi ene 16 months no yanto a project ni so but in February 2026 no omu corridor $10.4 million every sikanimu March 2026 no omu sa koyi emu 13.8 million Ghana cedis every deska kronemu but project no yanto aso bisa Bank of Ghana edi ebufuo eni anibre kasa a omu kire se Ghana se ensuo yiri famode a eni ewei ni de ekoso project na ne ye I think ebe wie 2027 no mo finance ministry no omu na delay ye omu ma cash flow enye active they are not flowing funds omu flow sika no omu teso e omu aso ye omu mesika no enko na omu wie ya na so ke mam nya research bi hwe ade se sika no ebi aba pen abisa ko hunu se 2012 ana that time ne Atamils ene Mahama ene te Ghana konya so na Atamils ene president ana Mahama ene vice president omu de adesede ekoto World Bank anim say World Bank yesere mo ye pese Oda River no ene ye sure drainage system ewo Ghana Accra to be precise Accra ana fe no Western Rail Lines no ye pese ye services bi ewo ho enti momo aye enti that time ye ekomiensa ene kambom ediska bre Ghana it was World Bank together with Standard Chartered Bank together with Import and Export Bank in USC ekomiensa we ene kan omo tambo mega se ne Ghana ebe boa mo enti on 10th March 2012 ana omo de $795 million ebre Ghana $795 million omo de bre Ghana 10th March 2012 ese Ghana yemfa sika we ensure proper drainage system ewa Accra na fe wie so a the Western Rail Lines na ye pese ye kokko service wo hono no yemfa ebi nkonye enti ye budget na se budget mu no ye behia $595 million for drainage system in Accra, making of roads, any sanitation, dredging of rivers, silting of gutters. Ewa Accra, ye behia eno nkwan be hia $595 million. Now if you so the Western Rail Lines no ye behia $200 million. 2012 ana World Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, any Import and Export Bank, any let's carry buy totaling to the amount of $795 million ebe Ghana ha mumusa Atamils ene Mahama de sika na we hinfa mumusa Mahama de sika na we o de ye de ya omu de ye de e sika we ebe Ghana ha but June 3rd 3 years later Ghana ha yiri nsuo fa nipa Accra circle ejatom nipa bebre siwu ye na that say Mahama na Ghana ete Ghana kunya so mumusa na say sa sika na 2012 eba ye de ewei amane no and this for more pedo propaganda mo boboda munnimu nyansa 357 na aba Ghana ha bi Akufo Addo adi ewei according to Bank of Ghana World Bank report sika be na aba Ghana ha Akufo Addo ye tua mo die untimi nya research muka say jimi so ebe we say Bank of Ghana abes Fiscal John Mahama and this guy na flooding sensem ya no comedian so a when in send your man for catch John Mahama.
Hello. President John Dramani Mahama, Mr. Insensitive, you are now showing emotions. I saw you flying up there with our taxpayers' money, looking at all the flood that you have caused. This could have been prevented because you spoke about it when you were in opposition. It means you have an idea. You have a knowledge of it. When it was May, June, July, We had the first rain, we had the first knocking. When you were in abroad, look, I don't have an iota of sorrow for you or sorry for you. I know you are insensitive to Ghanaians. You only care about how much wealth you are going to carry home with you and your brother. That is the truth. And that will never change, and it's a fact. Because you said the same to the previous Nana Akufo-Addo administration. You said you call him insensitive and he doesn't care. Like a father who doesn't care about his children. You are same now. You don't give a hoot. You are so insensitive. Look, before you joined that helicopter, did you think about the zones, the areas that those floods happened? All the dead bodies, did you think about them? Did you think about the schools? Did you think about the stores? You should have declared those areas state of emergency before you climb even the steps of the helicopter. You don't even have that thinking ability. You want us to come and put camera on our faces and tell you. But when you were in opposition, you spoke about all this. Sanitation, sanitation. When you come, you are going to do it differently. What has changed? Over a year, what has changed? You should have made it part of your agenda. Made it part of your, everything that you have said, the videos are there. You should have made it part of your agenda. You have the engineers, sanitation ministry, housing, everything prepared. Now you want us to believe that, yes, Ghanaians, yes, they are part of it, yes. But did you take precautions? No. Did you take precautions like when you were in opposition and you were insulting the previous government? Did you take precautions? Hell, goddamn no. Don't we have meteorologists in Ghana? I have a question. Don't we have meteorologists in Ghana? Do you even care to know whether there's going to be a bad rain? The weather forecast is telling you that this rain is going to be in this high magnitude. Do you care? None of you care. All the ministers, none of the ministers care. All they care is about the money, the contract, and whatever nonsense it is that they are going to take home. Why is it so? You sat on the helicopter and you are looking down onto the poor people. How did you feel? Insensitive government and insensitive ministers. You could do. Look, President John Dramani Mahama, why didn't you declare state of emergency at those areas, those zones, the zone that the flood was so bad? Tema, Kasua, Malam, some part, all those areas. You should have declared state of emergency yesterday afternoon. You should have been on television, not even been on that helicopter, enjoying yourself, looking as if you are sad. So insensitive. So insensitive. All of you, Sam George, Sami Jemfi, Okujato Ablakwa. That's what I'm telling you. Look, since now I have lost trust in you and your administration, you will never find peace until you fix it. Until you start doing what is right for Ghanaians. What Ghanaians cried for. Don't turn us back and tell us that 8 years ago. 8 years ago, because if it was bad, that is why they were shoot out. That is why you came in, because we want a change. We want to see things done differently. No journalist should come and sit down and put some stupid camera on their face and start giving us analysis. We are sick and tired of analysis. We want you to fix it. That is why the baton was given to you. We don't want any stupid cake analysis. No, we are sick and tired of that. Why didn't you declare state of an emergency? And I have one word for all of you. Any NADMU, any sanitation ministry, any ministry that will take money, that kind of money, all in the name of the disaster or those impoverished areas where water have consumed them, to go and buy blanket, mattresses, and then food, and something small change for them. If you consume that money, may God curse you. If you consume that money, may we all pray for God's anger to fall on you. If you eat that money or consume it without giving it to those, look, if you watch the video and hear some voices, wallahi summatalai, you cry. You will cry. You had the chance to fix it. Yes, we know Ghanaians. There were choke gutters and all that. People were throwing garbage in gutters. We know all of that. What did the government do to change all that before the rain? Why do we look, Ghana for us, to say near dream. Into government biaba, obefa yensa, ese ye trom say ye wanyansa. Ye wanyansa ye to me dream, we can think, we are critical thinkers. We can sieve things, we can assess, we can sieve things. I didn't think I want time now we call around now we campaign. Unim say uba flooding issue is there or was there in the nation. If we have flooding issues, why is it that you didn't make that part of your agenda in your first year? You didn't make that part of your agenda. You have the engineers out there to make sure that all choke gutters, all those garbage, all those Ghanaians who made it a mandate or made it this thing for them to go out there and be throwing garbage in the gutters, they'll be arrested. Why didn't you put all these things in place? Because you spoke about it in government. So it means it is negligent. It is the president negligent. It is the ministers negligent. It is any other person who has power to take care of this. It is their negligent. So any person that died, any flood that happened, munim, because you have the power. Now they are going to fetch money, taxpayers' money, and throw it in the system. And God knows who is going to be rich himself from all this calamity. Obia obi disikana won fan koma, omo a omo busiafo ewu, omo a omo fie no nso afa omo no onyame tuanika. You consume that money, but you will never find peace. Go and share the monies to them so they can at least find some shelter. Minister of Interior, what did he say? He said Ghana is a impoverished country. Share asema okano. Omo amuti $100,000, $200,000 Land Cruiser. Or catch and say Ghana is a impoverished country. Ghana cannot afford to find shelter. So, like we are talking about abroad. There's no state of emergency. President John Dramani Mahama went to join the helicopter without calling for state of emergency in those flooding areas. Schools now, or more areas ni na. Say yeshe na yanka se anka state of emergency no. Their children they cannot go to school until yatum. The government is going to see to read that some of the schools are being taken care of. You are not talking about those shit. You are coming to put camera on your face and you want to refer us. We refuse to be referred. We refuse to be told that, oh, the previous government came in for 8 years and did nothing. We refuse that and we reject that in Allah's name. For what? That is why there was a change of government. That is why there was an aluta. That is why you have the majority in parliament. But all they care about, Sami Jemfi, Sam George, and Okujato Ablakwa, all they care about is their money right now. The finance minister is caging our money, caging the dollar, and Ghanaians are going to be suffocated. We will make sure that you never find peace. You, the president, and all your ministers need to be arrested for negligence, for causing harm and murder. This is causing harm to innocent people because you had the chance to fix it and you did not fix it. You want to shift blame. Yes, the harm was already there. It was there. We know the gutters were choked. What did you do? You spoke about it in opposition. To hell with all of you. You need to be arrested.
Ubeta achire wa adwene e dia mame. Ewo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Agra.